Ready.
Alright, so today we're doing some work for VP Records London, isn't it? So, you know, Daniboo voicing on the track with oh my lord, the UK. So it's a big international production happening right now in the studio. We're there at Kingston Studio UPT, you know the thing go. And of course, big up on the spot. We have cooked some food, we have some drinks in the fridge. She had do the voicing, she actually reached halfway through the track already. And we're there, so we have like 2 more artists coming today. Holy power record one. I just a day in the life of the studio people right now. We're doing it. You understand? Big up Dave and the whole team, natural engineer there. Here I you know, one of the selector them and play the song and do the thing and get music them out there. And we have a live today too. So we have to do a whole heap of things. We just get the work done. You understand me? Yeah, big up Buju Bantan. Buju Bantan will do a dub session. Him do 3 dubs, everything so successful. Is the first we ever do a dub session with him and it happened. So we give thanks to that. So we got the whole team, we got Future Fanboy, Jeremy and everybody. You understand me? We'll make it happen. Good? People, stay tuned right now. Stay with the link. We'll make you see everything done when the pot done up. Trouble! Chicken, rice and peas, ackee and sardine, dumpling, potato. Yo, I need a spliff!
Herb.
Yeah.
Green peas. Herbs. Not weed enough. Herbs. Oh.
And it's green peas, everything hilarious. If you want to relax, if you want to focus, if you have work to do, if you have anxiety, if you have a child with ADD, we have something for everybody. And not just smoking herbs too. Think of all the super carrot.
Oh?
Yeah.
Danny number, send her some little blast so she can remember for the
Okay. I mean, give her a sample. What you prefer? I will give you a sample of Sky Map.
Alright.
Hear the song say? She higher than a Sky Map.
Oh. Girl, no, she talk about, you know. She knows she talk about the people that need to find her. Give them all the right information and all of them something there.
Follow us on IG, Green Peace. Green Peace. Instagram is Green Pieces. Super hype endorse.
Sure.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we have an ackee and salt sea meat, and we also doing fried chicken and rice and peas. So we have rice and peas doing, and we have dumplings, maybe little potato, and the ackee, and we have fried chicken. So we have, you can eat your chicken with your rice, or you have your ackee, or you mix up every goddamn thing. Once you come around me, it's a full energy, a full vibration. My aim is to get my belly big like Ija would.
They are quarantine and work. We don't know what the thing now. Stay around. You know we're not play around. We don't leave, but they are going to bed.
They're not washing their potatoes, you see? When they buy them things, they just chop it and put it in a pot with all the dirt and them things. Wash them potatoes. Vibes in the kitchen right now. Oh, that party have been nice, man, I tell you. The kitchen nice. The vibes nice. Some good vibes. When I say I'm gonna roll dumpling and a whole vibe, so. Oh, Jesus.
Why must you eat with that big ugly dumpling that super?
I tell you.
Work man, dumpling.
Belly must full enough. Make sure you shape them out. Show them a smiling face.
Even after did find something to say. Hey, that's right. That one so there at Kingston Elite Studio. And the backyard, like the whole backyard, full of fruits. You have apple tree over the sun. It's my favorite thing. My favorite. What do you call it? Jumbeline, star fruit. That's sweet something, yeah. Some of them sour, but a tree have a different. Look like it. Riper one day, but it's not this one. Ooh, smells like one, yeah? Get to the top to get some yellow ones, some nice yellow ones, you know? Ooh! Woohoo!
Yeah, from there, I work, I cook, I do dub session, I do 45, we're doing a lot of work. Let's take a 5-second break. That is the thing. I'm Jamaican, you know how it is, I'm fully Jamaican. Yeah, when I'm in Toronto, I'm fully Canadian.
Hey, you know, find something for the while me away from my food.
Look good enough. The dumpling them ready. Water boil out right now. We're ready to go. Only thing we're going to know, Carrie giving us a pot, and we're going to fry some plantains. So it makes the meal nice. You understand? And we have dinner settings. We have it ready by 5. You understand? Chicken and rice and peas ready by 5 o'clock.
What is this super?
I can salt sea meat.
Oh.
Yes, nice. Nice.
Can I get my dumplings?
Yes. Huh.
You put them dumpling and shape them?
Murder. Style Gina know them dumpling. Murder. Watch out. You ever see twin dumpling?
Double up.
Tell Style G about the twin dumpling them.
Double up.
Potatsu.
Potato.
Potato.
One more dumpling.
One more dumpling.
One more dumpling and one more tattoo.
I just want a little sexy dumpling. Little one there. Little one. That is one of the little sexy one there.
Gracias.
It's crazy.
No, the life turn up for you.
But nah, like, I kill the game.
Tell people them when you just go.
Well, alright, we just go live on Zoom at a party. Remember party? I just get confused, sorry.
At a party?
This Zoom? Boy, sorry. At a party on Zoom. I mean, I tell you, party turn up, Barcelona, Russia, Argentina, Italy, the whole works. Daniboo song, 17 pull up, money pull up, all kind of things, you understand me? So you know Daniboo have some, forgive me? Good. So you know the vibe's nice. Right now the girl them still a god right now. Watch out, Jesus, watch out, whoa.
Alright.
Watch out. You see what I tell you? Oh my Lord. Whoa. I tell you, easily distracted right now. So big up Daniboo. Yes.
The girl them a go on.
Murder, Panispa TV. What TV? You hear that?
Alright, studio vibes, just another studio vibes, a normal day, and you know another thing, but don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Bad in a real life, man. I never know say she's so bad in a real life. Big man thing.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
man. Bad man. You know? Yeah, man.
No respect, man.
Yeah, man. Daniboo, you know?
And if I fall, do not laugh. I'm gonna give me 5 minutes, then I will have 5.